Hi everyone, today I am giving you information on the topic visual acuity. So let's see what is the visual acuity. It is a special resolving power of the visual system. It is the ability of our eyes so that they can see the two separate objects separately. If we have to identify the two separate objects, that it is the ability of our eyes, or it is known as a visual acuity, so that we can see the two separate objects separately. If they have a different colors, on the basis of different colors or the basis of different contrast, then it is the ability to see the two separate objects separately. For the visual acuity of 6 or 20 by 20, the whole letter subtends an angle of 6 minutes of arc at the eye, which is viewed at the 6 meter. So in case of a chart, each letter, the whole letter subtends the angle of 6 minutes of arc at the eye, when we are supposed to view it at the 6 meter or the 60 feet, on the basis of which we can test the visual acuity of the patient. Distance visual acuity. So distance visual acuity is based upon the detection, resolution and the identification. So let's see one by one. Detection, it is the minimum visibility. So detection is looking in those patients or the newborns who do not have a lot of ability to respond to us. So it is a minimum visibility. Fixation and falling of light on any object. We will shine a torch light in the eye of the patient, and he or she is supposed to look at the torch light, which is known as fixation and falling of the light or any kind of object, so that we can detect that the vision is present or not. We are not supposed to go for the 6 by 6 or 6 by 12 or reading the chart. Just fixation and falling is enough for them, because the fully correction vision takes about 6 years to develop in the eyes of the patient. Next one is resolution. It is a minimum resolvable. Basically, it is preferential looking. We are supposed to look at the patient eyes that he or she is looking at the target or not. Preference is noted by observing the eye movements. If the patient is moving the eyes according to the given test, so this gives us a basic idea about the vision is present or not, or how much vision is there. Recorded as per cycle per minute. For example, this one is the picture, and this is known as a Catford drum. By using this drum, we can check the visual acuity of the patient. So this drum consists of the white and black strips. So somewhere the strips are broad and somewhere the strips are very thin. So the examiner is supposed to move this drum, rotating the drum, and the patient have to look according to the drum. If the patient is looking at the drum according to the target, then it shows us that the patient has the visual acuity, and it is done binocularly. And if the patient is not looking at the object or not looking at the target, then it gives us the information that the vision is not good or not normal. Next one is identification. It is a minimum recognizable. The patient have to recognize the things: picture matching, naming test and the letter charts. So here at the LED, we will project the things or the objects, and these are the cards. Basically the cards are given. This is known as a picture chart, and the cards are given to the patient, and the patient have to match these cards to the given picture which is projected on the LED. So in this way we will check the vision of the patients who have the different ages on the basis of, first one is the they are responding to light or not. This is a detection. Next one is the resolution, which is a preferential looking. We will just look at the eyes of the patient. If the patient is looking at the target, then normal vision is there, otherwise it isn't. Next one is the identification. The patient have to match the things. So as the child grown in age, the methods of checking the visual acuity got changes. This was the end. Thanks for your patience listening.